Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8B, Question number 4, Basic Level. Question number 4. In Singapore, the EduSave Scholarship is given out to the top 10% of students within each level and stream in every school. There was an increase in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009. The table shows the value of this award for each level in 2008 and 2009. Given that there was an increase of 30% in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009 for a Secondary 1 student, find the value of award for a Secondary 1 student in the top 5% in 2009. Find the percentage increase in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009 for a Primary 4 student in the next 5%. Part 1. In this problem we have to calculate value of award for Secondary 1 student in 2009. It is given that award is increased by 30% of the previous year award, that is $500 for Secondary 1 to 6 students. Therefore we have to increase the award for Secondary 1 to 6 students in 2008 by 30%, to get the award for Secondary 1 to 6 students in year 2009. Or we can say that we have to increase $500 by 30%. So we have to increase $500 by 30%. To increase a value by given percentage, first we will multiply the percentage by value as shown in steps. After that we will remove the percentage sign by placing 100 in denominator as shown. Now simplify the fraction. If there are zeros at the end of numbers in fraction, then we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator as shown. Now to calculate increase we will add this value to the given value. After adding we have 650. Therefore, the value of award for a Secondary 1 student in top 5% in 2009 is $650. Part 2. In order to calculate percentage increase we will divide the difference of values by initial value and then multiply the result by 100 and place percentage sign next to it. Here we have given award in 2008 for a Primary 4 student in next 5% equals $250. An award in 2009 for a Primary 4 student in next 5% equals $350. So, for calculating the difference of values we will subtract the value of award in 2008 from the value of award in 2009 as shown in steps. After subtracting we have 100, so the difference of values is $100. Now to calculate percentage increase in award, substitute the calculated difference of awards and initial value of award, that is $250 in year 2008. In the formula for percentage increase. Then simplify to get the percentage increase. After simplification we have 40%, therefore there is 40% increase in award from 2008 to 2009 for Primary 4 student in next 5%. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.